Hey, it's Phoebe from the DeWeb team, coming to you in an asynchronous video to give you a little bit of updates on the DeWeb. First of all, I just wanted to say that I've been noticing that a lot more new people are coming into the ecosystem, so this update is going to be just kind of an overview of the DeWeb, what it is, what are the updates in the current development cycle, and stuff like that. So, what's the DeWeb? It's an easy on chain hosting solution. It's made to be user friendly. We're aiming to have the safest, and the most reliable on chain hosting product in the blockchain world, right? While maintaining a very, very high degree of decentralization and censorship resistance. So, how's it going to work? Users will be able to host decentralized applications using Masa blockchain storage. So, what that means is that your websites are going to be stored directly on chain. And this means that you have all the advantages of the blockchain, data storage, which is decentralization, accessibility, availability, etc., um, while maintaining the really, really high level of decentralization that Masa is known for, right? So, this DWeb hosting is also compatible with any existing ecosystem, meaning that if you want to host a fork of Uniswap, for example, and you know your fork is going to be targeted by malicious pirates and hackers and stuff like that, well, you can directly host it on the DWeb to make it safer, to prevent things like DNS hijacking, front ends, whatever, because these attacks will cost you millions and millions of dollars. So it's really important to have a way to save that money, right? And to build an application that's hosted in a decentralized way. And that's really, really important. And finally, how is it going to work? Well, it's also going to be part of this growing decentralized community, um, because, this on chain web is very much something new, very much something that people are just starting to explore. So it's going to be really interesting from that point of view, for you to kind of come in and see what people are building and how people adapt, and how people just use this new blockchain technology for cool applications and innovative use cases. Now, I'm going to go into more of the update details, right? So, providers and website registries are coming. This will allow people to register and list their websites to make them publicly searchable and indexable, etc., etc. So, yeah, really interested in that. Stay updated. The mainnet CLI and server, which we're going to call beta version, is in QA phase. So we're fixing some bugs, making sure that the product is the best it can be. And also, we're launching soon. So definitely follow all the social media, have your notifications on, because when it's going to drop, it's going to be really, really hot. And finally, for this last update, the uploader front end is being prototyped and the development is going well, which means essentially that users will be able to have a click and drop on chain hosting solution. And that's really exciting because that does not exist anywhere else on the market. We're really aiming to be a standard in terms of on chain hosting and just to kind of like set the bar really, really high with a high quality product. And finally, concerning the roadmap, so we're really close to our DWeb to mainnet goal. We're really excited about it. And of course, after that, there's going to be some big things, some really big things. I can't really talk about them yet. Um, but yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of different projects. We're gonna build on the DWeb. We're gonna make it more accessible. We're gonna make it a little bit more complex and integrate it in different systems, etc. It's gonna be really fun, and it's gonna help the Masa ecosystem grow, and it's gonna be massive. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and for those of you who connected to the live stream, I'm really sorry there was a technical problem. It should be fixed for next stream, but it happens. Anyways, tuning out and see you later.